So when it comes to making money online, it's something you need to put in the hard work. You don't just come online and want to make money without doing anything. I remember I lost my $50 online trying to. Please, that is a very sad story. I lost $50 online. Okay, yeah, let me tell you. Let me give that story before I go into it. There's this website I came on when I started online, and they told me just put in $50 over the months, over the months you get investment, you get returns, and how it is they told me I'll get returns. Yes, I just remember they told me I'll get returns. I'll get like 10% return of my money every week, and the rest. That's how I put in my $50. Believing you, after the first or second weeks, this sites don't come up again. A lot of persons were complaining, and the rest are like, God, this $50 could have taken me a very long way. And as at then, the $50 was a big money in my country here in Nigeria. So I told myself I will not do that again. I won't go into the easy way of getting to make money online. I'm going to go and I'm going to still be in the online world, but I'm going to go deep and get to know how to make this money real and not in a quick and a fake way. So that was what brought us to today's video. And today's video, I'll showing us like three websites we can make not three websites, like three easy ways we can use in making money online. So along the way, I'm going to show us the website. So please stay tuned to this video because I know you are going to love and you're going to learn something from it. You can just be, you can be a beginner, you can be one has been online for a very long time. Just stick to the video and just learn what I'll be teaching us. And I think it's something that if you're going to do, you are going to love it if you can stay tuned. And please, just like this video as you're going. Like this video. I know somebody is going to like this video, so just like click on the like button. Like the video. As from now, as from this instance, you don't have to wait in the end of the video or the middle. Just like it, yeah. Because what I'm going to show you in this video is going to be mind blowing, and it's going to be wow. Yeah. I'm actually telling you that this video is going to be wow. So with that being said, my name still remains Sylvester, and what I do in the channel, I teach us money making tips. Yeah, money making tips. That's what I teach us in this channel. I don't do other stuff, or I do that stuff, but I actually focus on making money tips from different aspects. Yes, because I believe the main goal of people being online, coming online, is actually knowing how to make money online. So why should I be in the other world? Why should I have my mobile phone, or why should I have my laptop when I cannot make money online? I subscribe, I buy the internet data every month, every single month, and I don't make money online. No, I have to make money online from this instance. Yes, that's why I'm here for you. And if you know you are just joining us for the first time, kindly click on the subscribe button. Also, kindly click on the notification button to get notified anytime I release a new video. Sorry, I'm taking too long, but I just have to do this so that you get to know me and I get to know you. And lastly, I'm a computer programmer. Yes, that's what I am. I'm a computer programmer, and I program in different aspects. I'm a front end, I'm also a back end, I'm also a mobile app developer. Yeah, that's what I do, and that's what we do. Yeah, I love my job. So let's go on. The first aspect we'll be going into is the mobile app. Not just mobile, but the mobile app and website testing. So when it comes to mobile app and website testing, a lot of persons will say, I am not, a lot of persons will say, I am not a techie, or I don't understand the tech world. But the truth is, you don't actually have to be a techie or understand the tech world in order for you to be able to make good bucks from app testing. Yes, a lot of persons are like, I'm not tech savvy. How will I be able to test app? No, it's nothing technical. Yeah, it's not technical. What you just need to do as a mobile app or website testing is most times just download the apps, look for things like, oh, is this app loading very well? Yeah. Look at it. Oh no, this app does not load very well. Does this app have the criteria of what I'm looking for? No. Oh, this app, the menu is somewhere. I do not see this menu easily. So you just jot out those things. Okay, does this app have a back button that can easily navigate backward if I'm lost in between the apps? Oh, is this app too clustered? That's what they just need from you when it comes to app testing. And also website testing. Also, okay, the load time on this website, oh, I don't like the load time. This website loads very slow. You don't need to be techy to know that the website looks very slow, because by the time you click, it takes time forever to load. So that is something you don't have to be a tech guru to be able to know how to do. You don't have to be a tech guru to know how to check if a website loads very fast. Yeah, So that is just it. And also you can look at, okay, this website, the content, oh, this content is a error in this website. Oh, they are supposed to say oh, and they said what, or something like that. How this website is, the typo in this website is very very bad. I don't think this thing is good. So these are the things they want you to do when it comes to mobile app testing. Nobody is wanting you to come and do the whole gimmick of technicality. No, technicality is for the programmers, people like us. Yeah. The technicality is for people like us who are programmers, who are computer programmers, not you, the users. You are the user. You are just testing what we've done. Make sure that there's no bug. Make sure that, okay, fine, when you load the app, it loads and no errors showing, things like that. That's what you are doing. So it's a very very easy task. And see, you make good money from app testing. Yeah, you make good money from app testing, and that is something I've actually done. My days before I become a computer programmer, I'm actually going to app testing, and I use sites like Tests. Almighty Fiverr will give you all you need when it comes to app testing job. And you can use Try My UI also. I've not used them, but based on some reviews online, Try My UI also works when it comes to user testing. But please focus on Fiverr. I love Fiverr because since they're in as much, some places will tell you get trash on Fiverr, but you have a lot of professionals on Fiverr who will give you good job. Yeah, good job. Because I also was on Fiverr, and I'm also on Fiverr now, and I give my clients good job. So I believe you can give people good job also. So just go on Fiverr and get hired by this app these app companies or website companies that want you to test their jobs, and you get to do this job for them, and they pay you good money. Yeah, good bucks. They pay good bucks. I won't lie about that. And they try to pay for time. Most time they pay per hour. Sometimes they just pay outrightly to do a full analysis of the job, and that is sweet and it's very very cool. So let me not bore us with that. The next I'm going to is transcription. I talked about transcription the other time in one of my videos, and I know a lot of people will be asking transcription again. Yes, transcription is very good because for me, I can just plug in my headset and I'm listening to a video of 1 hour or how many minutes long, pick up the details right. I know how to write. I know just what you need to know how to use a Microsoft Word, a Google Doc, any doc you can use. Write those things down. And when you're done, proofread them. You just have to have Grammarly. Grammarly gives you the best option to proofread these things. Just go to grammarly.com, get this Grammarly application, use it to proofread your words and everything. So you have the free version in Grammarly, you have the paid. So with the free version, you have limited stuff you can do, but with the paid version, you can do extremely a lot of stuff and get a very, with Grammarly Premium, you get the tone. Yes, this tone is a tone in which you are using for your sentence. So this Grammarly can pick up the tone and give the right tone you're supposed to use for your sentence based on what was gotten from the written word in the video. So that's just it. Transcription is a very very sweet one. And on Fiverr, you can get your transcription job on Fiverr. Yeah, on Fiverr. So that's where I actually also get my jobs from. I always talk about Fiverr because Fiverr is a marketplace that you can get basically everything you need. You don't need just one. It's not just a place for just one thing. With Fiverr, you can get everything you need. So when it comes to your transcription, go on Fiverr, have an account on Fiverr. I'm telling you, these are stuff that work well for you. Yes, these are stuff that work well. Just go to Fiverr, put in your Fiverr, just follow the link in my video. Yes, follow the link in my video. You will see the link in my video. From that link, you can also click and register on Fiverr if you've not done that. And if you already have an account on Fiverr, you can actually use that and continue. So I have videos on my channel that show you how to create an account on Fiverr. I have videos that show you how to rank your gig, how to promote your Fiverr gig in case you have already set up your account as a transcriber on Fiverr. It's very very easy. What do you need as a transcriber? Okay, what do you need to deliver this job as a transcriber? So we focus on that. As a transcriber, what you need to deliver the job is an headset. Get a good headset from any shop or any vendor you want to get, any online vendor or offline vendor. Yeah. Okay, but I don't have any specific online vendor right now. I can refer you to. So that is just for that. Just go online. There are good ones you can get. So when you do that, it's pretty easy to go that route, getting a headset and a laptop, a good laptop that have the document you can type, and if you can also make use of your phone. But for professionalism, most times I don't advise persons, yes, I don't advise persons to go to their laptop and use their laptop. I'm sorry, I don't advise people to use their phone. Sorry, you can use a laptop. I don't advise people to use their phone to do this job. Just make sure you have a laptop. Even do it to get a friend laptop, a family member laptop, a sister laptop. These things we do for us, and you can actually use these laptops to do your jobs easily. So the next one we're going to is we're going to yeah, last and not the least. Who can guess? Oh, nobody's going to be able to guess because I'm the one teaching. And do you know what I want to teach? No, I'm the only one that knows what I want to teach, and that is why I'm the only one I'm going to know the last and not the least. I'll be teaching you IT now, and the last and not the least, I'll be talking about in our today's topic on how to make money online is proofreading and editing. Yeah, proofreading and editing is a very good way to make money online, and it's very easy for me. I see proofreading as a very easy thing. Like, I don't see it as a rocket science because it's just for me to pick up a text, look at the text, look for errors, typographical errors, look for typographical errors. I'll look for errors that when you use this error, I look for errors that when you come across this error in a book or in an article, it's not nice for that article. So that's what proofreading is good. Just go through the text, look for grammatical errors, look for tone errors, look for punctuation errors, and these are errors ongoing, and you can look for, and they are pretty good ways you can actually execute these things. There are pretty good ways you can actually get these things done. The proofreading and editing, the way you can deliver this proofreading and editing job is very simple with Grammarly. Okay, imagine I don't know how to a particular language. Okay, imagine I'm proofreading in English. Let's give an instance. I'm proofreading in English, and I actually don't get the whole thing. Alright, so I can just copy my text, or is it an ebook, or if it's an article, I can just copy this article, put it on Grammarly, and get this Grammarly to do the proofreading for me. Grammarly helps me to research what is not right, wrong grammatical errors, and after everything, you read through again the books, read through everything, and be able to get out what you want to achieve in that particular editing and proofreading, because clients will give you a specification of what you want to do. You can say, okay, fine. Client can tell you that, okay, read this through this my articles for me, or read through this my ebook for me. I want to get the direction. I want you to work or focus on the direction of this book. Like, this book, I feel the direction is not well aligned, so I want you to proofread and edit it for me. Why some will just tell you, okay, just proofread, give me my errors, show me my errors, and I'll go and rectify them myself. For some will be tell, okay, please, I want you to proofread and also edit this document for me and make it sweet and nice. And believe me, this place, you make good money from proofreading and editing, and it's a very easy job. I say it's easy job, not that it's that easy. Why I say it's easy, you put in the hard work, fine, but it's not that you have to think out of the box. Now it's a rocket science that you have to think out of the box, start thinking about other ways, logical thinking. No, there's nothing like logical or critical algorithm when it comes to programming, like what we do when we program. There's nothing like that. So what we actually do in this proofreading is very simple. We just get the text of these particular individuals and make sure that these texts align. Yes, make sure these texts align and get things done. So where do we get these proofreading jobs from? A lot of persons are skeptical. Okay, please, where can I get this proofreading job done? Getting proofreading jobs is very easy, and I believe they can get this proofreading job from a very the same place. Like, sorry, it's not very, like, you can get the proofreading job from the same place where you got your transcription job. And where is that? Fiverr again. Yes, I love Fiverr a lot because it's a marketplace that has a lot you want to, yeah. And the sweet thing about Fiverr is they accept any country, so why should I now go and looking for places whereby they don't accept my country? They don't. No, this is Fiverr is a marketplace that don't racist. I don't call it. It's not a racist platform. Fiverr is a platform that gives you the best when it comes to business online, like running services and everything online. Fiverr is sweet. So I actually recommend Fiverr. If you know you're not on Fiverr, use my link in this below description of this video and register on Fiverr. So wait. Just wait there. If you like my video and you're watching, you're just taking on my information, enjoying the information, scratching the information, and if you don't like my video. If you don't like my video, I won't release any on that video again. I won't enjoy anything. So like this video, people are going to see it, a lot of person will see it, and the video will go a long way and help a lot of person. So you have to be stingy with content, right? Am I stingy with my content? I produce this content free of charge. I do not charge anybody. So you like this video so a lot of people will see it. It's a force, it's a must too. You must. You're watching it, watch, like this video. So that, by the way, just kidding. If you like, don't like it, so I don't care. Again, don't like. We going. Okay, let me focus on what I'm doing here. Like or like, no like. YouTube should my video to a lot of persons. Yeah. So Fiverr is a very since. Yes, Fiverr is a very good way, and I believe in you. Fiverr is a very good way. Very good place you can get. Fiverr is a very good way you can get these proofreading jobs, editing jobs. Yeah, Fiverr is a very good place you can get these jobs, and believe me, it's very nice, and you enjoy. They pay good bucks. Just go there. I won't start giving analysis of how much you can get or anything. I don't do that. What I just tell you, go there, see for yourself, because seeing is believing. So click on the link below description for example Fiverr. Get started. It's not only getting people to order your service, you to order people's service. Make use of the Fiverr marketplace, a big place where you can buy things. So what are you waiting for? Go and do that right now. And see my next video where I'll be sharing a lot of wonderful and sweet content. If you want to get notified, you want to get first-hand notification when I release a new video, if you like, don't subscribe. Leave this channel and don't subscribe, and don't click on the notification button. And tell me you want to get information. How do you get information when you are not subscribed to where you're getting information? I want to get information. I'm subscribing to I'm on that place. Subscribe here where you get sweet, wonderful information how to make money, tips and tricks which will help you in making money online. Thank you for watching. Now my name remains Sylvester Izunyo. Yeah. Sorry, I know my surname is kind of tricky. Izunyo. Izunyo. That is the right one. Izunyo. You like don't know how to pronounce it. Don't bite your tongue. Just say Sylvester for short is okay. Bye and see you in my next video.